Hi, and welcome back. And today I'd like to cover some of the things I like to do in preparation for a successful Bermuda grass season, so stick around. One of the benefits of living in the Southwest is that you can have a dual season lawn, a winter lawn and a summer lawn. During the spring, the cool season grass is thriving, the weather is spectacular, and being out on the lawn is heaven on earth. But just remember, summer-like temperatures will be here before you know it. As we make our way out onto the lawn, you're going to start noticing that I don't have quite the dark color that I used to in my previous videos. It's actually a little bit more yellow than before. And what that is the perennial ryegrass and the Kentucky bluegrass is stressed out a little bit from me lowering the height of cut. And this won't kill it off right away. And so we're going to help the Bermuda grass out a little bit. I'm going to use the Allet mower with the Scarifying cartridge to help thin that canopy out. This will provide more sunlight so the Bermuda grass has a way to grow a little bit faster coming out of transition. All done. Scarifying. Actually, it looks a lot better. Kind of took all that brown stuff out. The debris. One of the easiest ways to provide sunlight for the Bermuda grass down below is to actually bring your height of cut down. During this time of the year, it may be necessary to mow your lawn twice a week to maintain this height of cut. If you look at this picture, you'll see on the left-hand side where I've mowed once a week, and on the right side, I mowed twice a week. Through the years of transitioning the lawn, I found that this step can greatly minimize the amount of bare areas you'll get once the ryegrass begins to check out from the month of April through May. I like to gauge my transition time by looking at the extended forecast, particularly the nighttime temperatures when they are consistently above 65 degrees. If you have not overseeded your lawn like I did in my front yard, you may already start to see your dormant Bermuda waking up. Some folks like to scalp at this time, and some folks will wait until 50% of the lawn has greened up. Today, I just lowered my mower one notch below the height I had left it this past winter. You can apply a starter fertilizer this time of the year. I'll be applying Simple On Solutions 3-18-18, a low nitrogen, high phosphorus fertilizer to push the roots and the shoots of the Bermuda. For those that overseeded, the low nitrogen is perfect prior to transitioning. It doesn't push the top growth, and it will prevent your cool season grass from competing with your warm season grass. In addition, I'll be applying soil hume and root hume to better the soil conditions and to improve the uptake of the nutrients faster and more efficient for the grass. Before we leave each other, I would like to thank each and every one of you. I know that there are a lot of lawn content here on YouTube, and you took the time to watch my videos. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you're interested in some of the products you've seen in the video, I'll post those links in the description down below. This is Francis with Nice Easy Lawn, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.